Wolf, Sub-Zero, Miele, and Thermador are the market leaders for luxury appliance brands. But that doesn't mean that they have every feature or guarantee that they'll be the perfect fit for you and your kitchen. In this video, you will learn about the 5 uncommon luxury appliance brands that you should consider. Stay to the end and learn about the one brand that might be the best in the future. Okay, let's get started. If you heard of AGA, you probably remember the old AGAs with the heaters built in. We used to nearly suffocate in the summer near our display, but AGA has changed. They still have their cast iron ranges, but no more heat and you don't need to vent the oven anymore, so they are a lot easier to install. AGA has 3 series, the Classic, Mercury, and Elise, in different sizes, including a 48-inch induction model. It's a unique looking range with side swing doors, so you don't have to lift food over a drop-down door anymore. You also have a separate area for your broiler. But AGA has something Sub-Zero, Thermador, and Miele do not: colors. They have beautiful colors and different handle styles, so you can finally have a unique look in your kitchen. Want the pro look of a Wolf, but don't want to spend as much? Monogram has a stylish, professional look with their brass accents, along with better pricing and rebates of up to $4,500. They also have some decent features. Their refrigerators are cool intakes under each shelf to maintain proper temperature. You can thaw and cool in their crisper drawer, and they have water and ice dispensing options. Their Pro ranges are competitive to your favorites with 23,000 BTU, hotter than any of the big 3 brands, along with infrared grills and griddle options. Their 7-inch touch control screen and smart functionality may be among the best in the industry. Their brass accents are a nice touch, and you can buy brass doors for the refrigerator and for their Pro hood. Monogram is a good consideration, and their appliances cost less than the more established brands. BlueStar is a family-owned American-made company, and it's different from most other brands in 3 ways. The stoves are super high output at 25,000 BTU max. That's a lot more powerful than Wolf, Thermador, or Miele. Every BlueStar appliance is designed to handle an 18 by 26 inch commercial cooking tray, so you have good usable capacity in their ranges and their refrigerators. Lastly, you have a choice of 1,000 colors with BlueStar, which is 997 more than Wolf and 999 more than Thermador and Miele. They started as a stove company, but their fridges are decent as well. They are stainless steel on the inside with 2 compressors, and their shelving is wide enough to hold a commercial-sized sheet pan. Lastly, BlueStar has some interesting hoods if you want to use a vent as a focal point in your kitchen. If you like this video, click the bell icon and subscribe button to be notified of future content. Okay, we have covered the fun and quirky luxury brands. Now here are 2 you should really pay attention to. Look at our wall oven display. They all have the same design, stainless and black. Now look at Gaggenau with its unique industrial design. Your kitchen will stand out more with Gaggenau appliances than any other brand. But it's not just beautifully designed. If you're looking for the best cooking appliances, then Gaggenau is worth the consideration. Their ovens have 17 modes for preparing any food and can be adjusted by 1-degree increments, not 5 like the other brands. Their steam ovens are amazing. This is the only brand that gives you the ability to control the percentage of steam you use while cooking. Their coffee maker also offers 34 different recipes made automatically. Now for the brand with the most potential to be the most popular in the next 5 years, SKS. They are the upscale division of LG. They engineer products much quicker than any other brand and are more attuned to trends than any of the others. They produce more of their components in-house than most brands as well. But what they do well is simplify the complex. Their wall oven features steam and speed, prompting you with pictures. It also calculates the cooking time of your food when you select how you like it prepared. These simple, intuitive controls can also be found in their Pro ranges, which have good output with a 23,000 BTU max output. Their range also offers a sous vide option, which is precision boiling in a bag, and induction options as well. Their chromium griddle is simple to clean, just wipe it off. The 48-inch range also offers the steam oven, which is the healthiest way to cook. Their new 48-inch integrated refrigerator is integrated into your cabinets with a French door up top and 4 drawers below. It offers 2 kinds of ice along with a flexible drawer that can be converted to a fridge or freezer. Now that you know the 5 uncommon luxury appliance brands, watch this video to see how they compare to most popular luxury appliance brands in the industry, and thanks for watching.